Kobe. Bleach first. Gosh, I'm so bad. Whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm putting the bleach in.
You're not supposed to put bleach in first. Hey guys, welcome back to another Learn from Others video. Today, we just caught Vincent being really dumb, doesn't know how to do laundry. So let's teach you guys how to do laundry properly. What's the first step, Vincent? Grab a cup,
Put the bleach in.
No bleach. Enough with the bleach. Just grab a cup full of soap. And then you close it up.
No, we need the bleach.
No bleach, Vincent. Enough. Anyways, after that, you turn it on. You push power. And because we have, what are these called, Vincent?
We have the little things on the bottom of mops. We do quick wash.
No, we go to heavy duty.
No, quick wash.
It's heavy duty. Go away. After that, you set the temperature, which is on high. And then you check everything to make sure it's all right. And you start it.